Hello everyone, and today we are going to be learning simple equations. I know I didn't post for a lot of time, but it's okay. uh, Welcome to the channel again. I'm going to start posting again, so yeah. Today we are learning simple equations from grade 7 maths. uh, so simple equations is a pretty easy chapter actually. If you're a beginner, um, it's gonna be pretty easy actually. No need to learn anything that deeply. So just, so mostly this chapter is all about equations we need to find from x, the value you need to find and stuff. So yeah, nothing much, just that. So taking that, what is simple equation actually? So simple equations are just finding the equation, and they'll give an equation. Now find the value of the thing, what do you say, the variable. Actually this x and stuff is called variable. Right here you guys can see this, where these alphabets are also known as variables, such as x, y, z, l, m, n, p, and etc. So no need of that. So there's a lot to study actually on this, so we are going to be taking a good lesson on this. So let's start from this place. So what if they give an question something like this, similar? Let me give one actually, so you guys may get some idea on it. So yeah, let me give one such type. So what if I give you one equation like 3x plus 5 is equal to 8. So we need to find the value of x. So what is the value of x? This is a simple one just for the beginning level. It's gonna be a simple one. So there's an equation like this. So what you'll do is we'll take the x, we'll just corner it like 3x is equal to, so what will happen to this plus 5 is that it will get transposed to this side, and when you transpose a number, this sign will become the opposite of it. So this addition will turn to subtraction. So it will be like 8 minus 5. Then 3x is equal to 3, and x is equal to 1. So you can't just skip like this. There is a background on this one which I just skipped right now, which is, you may not get a, if you're writing an exam, this may not help actually. So just after this you need to write 3x is equal to 3, right? Now the continuation of that is x is equal to 3 by 3, and x is equal to 1. So this is how it goes. So as you transpose this 5 to the other side, what is left is the 3x. So this is what happens. 3x is equal to 8 minus 5. This is the thing. Now you subtract 8 minus 5, which you'll get is 3, and the next step comes to the same thing which I wrote, no much important. So the next step is you take this 3 and transpose it to this side. So as this 3 is multiplied by x, multiplication, this will transpose in the form of division. So x is equal to 3 by 3. This is division. this was multiplication, and this will be division. So this is what you get, the result. Now you can leave your process here, or best is you stop your solution right here. This is your perfect answer. This is a simple one which you guys you can find actually. So yeah, this is a pretty simple one. Yeah, so this is just a small one which I had to just show, just to make it clear that this is a small example of simple equations from grade 7. So let's come back to the textbook. There are questions like this one, as you guys can see, this here, x plus 3 is equal to 0. What we can do, let's solve that question, or you know what, let's find something better than that. That's pretty obvious, so it's actually minus 3, so it's pretty simple. I want some exercise questions like this one right here. Let's see now. Let's take let's take, for example, this, and for this it's gonna be pretty simple actually, so let's explain that for now. So this problem, let's write the problem real quick actually. Okay, so the question they gave is 8y is equal to 36. Find the value of y. So how to find the value of y? It's pretty simple actually. It's still simple equations, just a little there. I mean, not a little there, but I just mean that it's a little, it may be a little like it's even simple than the first one which we practiced. So this one starts like this. So wait. So y, what is this? This is a variable, and how many numeral digits are there? I mean this when you say numbers, 8 and 36, there are 2. So as I taught you, transpose this one here like that. What we are going to do is we are going to take y is equal to transpose 8 to here, and as I told you, every time, and this 8 should be transposed here. Now let me tell you the reason why it's always division. The reason why we always divide when we transpose here and we don't multiply, because transposing we switch the the signs. Like if it was plus, then we'll go minus when we transpose it. If it was minus, we put plus there. So then you're thinking this is neither plus nor minus, then why am I putting a division symbol there? It's because this 8 is multiplied with y. So multiplication's opposite one is division. So it will be divided when we take it here. So it will be like this, 36 by 8, and y is equal to, actually there's a mistake. I mean, there's not a mistake, but you can say that that is 36 by 8. You can stop the process right here. It's because if we try to divide this 8 with 36, it's not possible. It is possible, but we'll get a decimal number, and we should get the number perfectly. As we can't get the number perfectly, we need to, you know, okay, wait, we need to actually do some hard calculation, which will take some time, but it's better to not do it. So this is the answer right here. Yeah. So let me give you guys some good question, which you guys will write it in the chat, the comment box. I'll just give you the question. Can solve this question, you guys can write this in the comment box. It's a pretty simple one, and I know you guys can find it. So let's head on to the next question. So let's practice a little better question now than those simple ones. Let's go to the next one right here. So let's choose this one, second one. Let's quickly note it down right here. So the question is 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. Okay, interesting question actually, but very simple if you guys know the formula. So if you guys want to go on with my formula, this is a pretty easy one. It takes very less time, and the answer will be the perfect answer. So this one is just very similar like this question, but just a little different. I put 30 and there's 28, and this number is smaller and this number is bigger. So for now, let's forget about this one. Let's come to this question. All focus to this. What you need to do is we need to transpose plus 28 to this side. So this plus 28 will become minus when we transpose it. So it'll be like 5t is equal to 10 minus 28. And 5t is equal to, so 5t is equal to minus 18. So minus 18. So now t is equal to minus 18 by 5. Now t, okay, so hold on a second. This is minus 18 by 5, and if we divide it further along, problem is that we'll get in a decimal number and it'll take a lot of time. So it's better we stop at this position and you'll still get the marks. Just check the process by which I did. It's a pretty simple one actually, so just check it out. No need to by heart this. Just understand the logic and then you'll get it. The main thing you need to remember in this chapter is all about playing with the numbers. Playing in the sense, not like real playing, I mean transposing this and stuff, so yeah. So I'm sorry a little light went, so don't worry about that. Yeah. So yeah, now let me give you some difficult questions, like something like this. What if there's a question like 13x plus 2 by 3 is sorry, x plus 2 by 3 is equal to 15 by 3. Find the value of x. So this type of questions may come in your exams of grade 7 especially. It's pretty simple actually. What you need to do is just transpose this plus 23, 2 by 3 to this side. It'll become minus 2 by 3. So let me just write it. X is equal to 15 by 3 minus 2 by 3, and that's how x is equal to this 13 by 3. I will continue this video in next class. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video.